By 2030, your home will redecorate itself while you sleep. What if every year, without lifting a finger, your home gave you a completely new look? Imagine never being bored of your space again, because your house surprises you. Right now, we're stuck. Same walls, same furniture, same tired decor, year after year. Redecorating means expensive purchases, exhausting work, and wasteful consumption. Our homes feel static, disconnected from how we live and grow. They can't keep up with us. But the future? It's fluid. Imagine walls that shift at a word, furniture that transforms with your needs, and rooms that refresh themselves without waste or effort. A home that doesn't just keep up, it evolves with you. The end of stagnation, the beginning of living spaces that breathe, change, and inspire every single day. Step inside the home of 2030. From the moment you arrive, the entrance greets you not with a static look, but with personalized decor that shifts to match your unique style and mood. Today, it might wrap you in the warmth of rich wood tones and soft, earthy textures. Tomorrow, it could transform into sleek minimalist glass and vibrant, glowing neon accents. It learns, it adapts, it celebrates you. Every year, every season, even every day, your home evolves, ensuring your space isn't just where you live, but a living expression of who you are. Sit down in your living room and watch it transform before your eyes. Furniture glides silently into new arrangements, wall colors shift with a whisper, digital art morphs from classic to cosmic, all without you lifting a finger. Every year, your space feels brand new, endlessly refreshing your spirit and style, and not a single dollar is spent, not a single resource is wasted. Now, here's the question. Would you let your living room surprise you every morning? Instead of dusty picture frames, your walls become living, breathing memories. Imagine your most cherished photos, videos, and even full holograms appearing gracefully, then softly fading into stunning digital art. Each year, your AI thoughtfully curates a brand new gallery of your life, telling your story in colors, motion, and meaning. Your home isn't just a place you live, it's a place that remembers. It's your past, present, and future, all dancing beautifully across your walls. Walk into the kitchen. This month, it's Scandinavian white, clean, calm, minimalist. Next month, it becomes Japanese zen, natural wood, soft lighting, tranquil vibes. Every year, your kitchen transforms effortlessly, new layouts, new textures, new themes, all without renovation, all without waste. Same space, endless designs. Your home doesn't just keep up with your taste, it evolves with it. Tonight, you sleep under a galaxy ceiling, a tapestry of swirling stars and nebulae that lull you into dreams of cosmic wonder. Next week, it becomes a serene ocean sky, with gentle waves and moonlit tides casting a calming glow. Every year, your bedroom redesigns itself, shifting effortlessly from peaceful solitude to thrilling adventure or intimate romance. Your space doesn't just change, it dreams with you. This is more than a room, it's a sanctuary that knows your heart's deepest desires. Forget ever buying a wardrobe again. Imagine this, every year, your home's AI designs a completely new virtual closet for you. It studies your style, current trends, and even your mood, then displays your entire clothing collection as stunning, life-sized holograms. You can mix, match, and try on outfits with a simple wave of your hand. One day, your closet looks like a minimalist boutique, clean, calm, and curated. The next, it transforms into a bold, avant-garde fashion studio with dramatic lighting and digital fabric simulations. Your space always feels fresh, exciting, and truly you, without wasting a single piece of clothing or a single dollar. This isn't just storage, it's sustainable style, reimagined. The bathroom doesn't just clean you, it renews itself. Imagine stepping into a space that transforms with your mood and needs. Tiles shift from warm terracotta to cool marble in moments. Mirrors change from minimalist frames to ornate vintage designs or even immersive digital displays. The lighting, acoustics, and layout adapt, creating a serene Japanese onsen one day and a vibrant, energizing hammam the next. This isn't just a room, it's a living spa that never feels old, constantly refreshing not just you, but itself. Its sustainability meets luxury every single day. Walls are no longer permanent. With just one command, they glide, fold, or even dissolve into the floor. Your living space can shift from an open, airy loft to a cozy, segmented sanctuary in moments. Each year, your home's AI generates brand new layouts, creating fresh pathways, rooms, and experiences, all without a single hammer, nail, or dusty renovation. This isn't just redecoration, it's a reimagination. Your home doesn't just change with you, it evolves for you. Your rooftop isn't static, it blooms differently every season. AI intuitively shifts the plants, the lighting, even the furniture layouts. One month, it's a wildflower meadow under soft morning light. The next, a minimalist Zen garden with curated evening shadows. Every year, your garden transforms, not just in look, but in soul. It's a space that breathes, grows, and surprises you, always feeling like a new world waiting to be discovered. And now think, what if your home reinvented itself every birthday? What if you woke up to a new style every New Year's morning? What if your house knew your future taste better than you? Standing here, you feel it. This isn't just a house. It's alive. By 2030, your home won't age. It won't grow dull or dated. Instead, it will surprise you, delight you, and reinvent itself year after year. Walls will learn your stories, rooms will adapt to your dreams, and every corner will pulse with possibility. The future of decor isn't static, it's living, breathing wonder. And it's already here. This was a glimpse into tomorrow's homes, where every year feels brand new. If this vision excites you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. The future isn't waiting, it's being built now.